Hi everybody, it's Amalia and I'm here today as a guest designer for the Not Too Shabby Shop. I'll be working with the Honeybee Garden paper pack as well as the Honeybee Cottage ephemera pack to make some cards. The main feature of this card will be not only the fabulous paper, but the sentiment stamp that goes along with Teresa's one and done sentiment die. This is the A Little Sunshine One and Done sentiment stamp. The very first thing I'm going to do is stamp out the entire stamp of 11 sentiments. Since this is a brand new stamp and this is my first time using it, I'm going to just run my fingers all over each sentiment, and that helps to get rid of any of the leftovers from the manufacturing process. This is a standard practice with most photopolymer stamps, and this is a good way to prepare your stamp for stamping with ink. I'll be using my stamping platform and some Memento ink in black to stamp out my sentiments. The 11 sentiments included in this A Little Sunshine One and Done sentiment stamp set are: sending a smile, thinking of you today, hope this brightens your day, a little sunshine for you, sending happy thoughts. Now there's 6 more sentiments to go, but I want to show you how easy it is to cut out these sentiments with Teresa's one and done die. You just line it up. It's really easy to line up. Put it down on your die cut platform and cut away. The 6 additional sentiments including in this stamp set are: wishing you a lovely day, warm thoughts always, just a cheerful hello, hope today feels brighter, a note to make you smile, and finally thinking of you with a smile. These are perfect sentiments to go with the Honeybee Garden paper pad and the Honeybee Cottage ephemera. So I'm just using an old Operation Right Home card map to create some card bases to add my ephemera and my lovely sentiments too. I'll also add some gold sticker elements to my card just to add a little bit of gold bling. Not too much, very subtle, but it really sets off the card very nicely. The hard part is going to be choosing from all this gorgeous ephemera. There's so many different pieces to choose from, some that are for children, some that could be for young adults, and of course for adults. They're really just charming ephemera, and Not Too Shabby really does a wonderful job with their ephemera packs. There's so much to choose from in this ephemera pack, from the critters like little bees and teddy bears and frogs and squirrels, and what else? There was a rabbit I think I saw in there. Yep, there's one right in there in my hand. And there's florals and houses and honeybee, what do they call those? Honeycomb, banners, people. There's really so much to choose from. It's hard to choose. And since I used the one and done die set and stamp set from Not Too Shabby, I have 11 sentiments to choose from. So I'm going through some of the sentiments to see which one is the perfect one. If you're loving the ephemera and paper and the one and done die as well as the stamp set that goes with it, leave a comment below and click thumbs up. I added some foam backed adhesive just so that the ephemera stands up a little bit. I added my sentiments, and I'm adding some enamel dots in a coordinating color just to finish it off. I'm making a total of 3 cards, and here's number 2. Again, I'm using another Operation Right Home sketch to create my card. I'm using that larger size design with honeycomb paper, and then to complement it, I picked this smaller design with some little flowers and some bees. I'm using a corner chomper to create some ticket edges on each corner. Then I decided to do my card base as well. I'm using my favorite tape runner from taperunner.com. You can use code Amalia10 at taperunner.com for 10% off your total purchase. Now that my card is assembled, I need to add my ephemera, and this time I'm using some Gold Beer cardstock and one of the candle pieces on the ephemera, I pick out the perfect sentiment from my one and done stamp set. And now we're going to work on a third card. This paper is so lovely and delicate. I'm going to use it as the main part of my card, and I've cut a piece that's about 4 and 5 1/4 for the entire front of my card base. I've cut some additional pieces of the design paper to go with the Operation Right Home design that I'm working off of. And again, I'm trying to pick out the perfect piece of ephemera for my card. It's so hard when you have so much lovely ephemera to choose from, but it's a good problem to have. If you agree, give me thumbs up and leave a comment below. Now I've picked out a piece of blue cardstock that matches the ephemera and the paper pack, and I'm using my trusty sidekick just to cut out a circle. Now I'm going to adhere all of my elements. First put down that first strip of paper, and then I'm going to add some 1mm foam squares to the back of that square piece of cardstock. It just adds that little bit of extra dimension that I really like to add on a card. Then I add my ephemera and finally my sentiment, and my card is done. Here are the 3 cards together, and I'll show them to you individually as well. I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate you. Please stop by the Not Too Shabby Shop to take a look at Teresa's One and Done die and the sentiment stamp that goes with it. It's called A Little Sunshine One and Done Sentiment Stamp. Take a look at the description below for more information, and thanks again, everybody. Bye!